Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to do a comparison of HoneyBook and Pixieset. In order to do so, here we are at honeybook.com and we're also at pixieset.com. And in order to avoid confusion, HoneyBook and Pixieset serve different purposes. HoneyBook is a comprehensive CRM, customer relationship management focused on business management, while Pixieset is a platform specifically designed for photographers to create and manage online galleries and client portals. So that's essentially the significant difference between the two of them. And basically, if you're looking for a comprehensive CRM for your creative business, HoneyBook is a good choice. But if you are a photographer looking for a platform to showcase your work and manage client galleries, Pixieset is a better fit. You can also integrate the two platforms to leverage the strengths of both. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.